Technology and Livelihood Education, Handicraft, Exploratory course for grade 7 and 8. Our topic is gift wrapping. Filipinos are known for being warm and affectionate. Sending gifts on special occasion is one way of expressing our affection and concern. We send gifts on special occasions such as birthdays, Christmas, Easter, christening, wedding, Valentine's Day, and other instances. Wrapping and packaging are essential parts of giving. A gift in personalized gift wrap is the delightful way of sending love to a friend or loved one. This lesson focuses on wrapped gift items. After going through this lesson, you are expected to use appropriate tools for gift wrapping, apply principles and elements of design, wrap artistically gift items, apply decorative particles to enhance wrapped gift items, and observe good working habit. Gift wrapping. Wrapping plain boxes is an art which can be achieved through careful choice of paper and ribbon. You should treat every gift wrap an artist treats a canvas. Gift wrapping is an art of packing, wrapping, and decorating an item or article to be given as a gift. Make sure you have enough wrapping paper. Tape sheets together with a glue stick or a scotch tape. Gift wrapping is not necessarily confined to paper. You can use other materials like printed or plain colored cardboard boxes, painted wooden boxes, or native Philippine materials like sinamay, raffia, abaca, native bags or buri, and many more. The following are the materials that can be used in wrapping gifts. Gift box or containers. It is a square or rectangular in shape container covered with decorative paper. Wrapping paper. Wrapping paper is a kind of paper designed for a gift wrapping. Ribbons and bows. A ribbon is a long strip of material used as decoration. A bow can be a type of knot. Decorative items like paper flowers, lace, or twine. These are decorative materials attached to a gift for artistic and creative design. Tags and labels. It is a type of card where you can put special message or label to the gift item. The following are the tools needed in wrapping gifts. Scissor. It is a hand-operated shearing tools, usually in paper, cloth, and other light materials. Pencil. A pencil is an implement for writing, drawing, and marking. Paper cutter knife. A paper cutter is essential to the cutting process. It is also used to the smooth formation of the item. Hole puncher. It is a tool used to create holes in the sheets of paper. It is also used to create designs on paper, fabric, thin plastics. Glue stick. It is used for sticking objects together. Adhesive ruler, also known as tape measure, is a tool used for measuring the size of the item. Wrap gift items. To present a good-looking gift, it is very important to remember the art and design because this will show your creativity. It is very important to learn the principles and elements of design to attain the artistic and creative design of gift wrapping. Decorative articles. To emphasize your creativity in gift wrapping, you need to consider decorative designs like ribbon, bows, and others. One common important in gift wrapping is gift ribbons. It can be made into decorative rosettes and bows with the use of bow, pins, strings, and double-sided tape. Here are some examples of gift ribbon that you will learn on this lesson. Ribbon rosette, twisted trim, figure 8 bow, flat loop bow, and spring bow. Procedure in wrapping boxes. Roll out the wrapping paper. Be sure you have enough paper to fit around the entire gift. Measure if necessary, leaving a few extra inches to be sure you are completely covered. Once the paper is cut at the right size, place your gift face down in the middle of the paper. Bring paper from the long side of the box up to the middle of your package. Pull both sides tightly to the paper hugs your package smoothly and tape. Next is you need to close the ends. Face the open end towards you and pull the right and left edges, pushing the sides in next to your box to form flaps. Fold top flap down to the box, pulling tightly and tape. Pull the bottom flap up tightly and tape. Repeat on the other side of the box. Position box so top is facing up. Run your thumb and forefinger across the edge of the box to create crease edge. Repeat on bottom of the box. Decorating the package. Make a ribbon to decorate a gift box. Materials are lace, tape or stapler, scissor, thread, or any string. Using ribbon or ribbon rosette. Procedure. Using a gift wrap ribbon, make a small loop by wrapping this around your thumb. Fix the loop in place with the help of tape or stapler. Twist the ribbon back on itself to form a pointed loop and tape in position. Continue looping the ribbon in evenly spaced twist. Continue widening outward in circles until the bow is big as your desired size. Cut off the ribbon, leaving the tail attach the rosette to the package. Add trimmings and tags. Using ribbon, figure 8 bow and twisted trim. Procedure in figure 8. Work ribbon back and forth in loops in the form of figure 8. Firm ribbon works best. It may be easier to make the bow in reverse position. Turn the bow upside down and make the figure 8 small to start with, making each one successively larger. Procedure in making twisted trim. Number 1, examine the ribbon. Find the natural curl of the ribbon and which side is shiny and which is dull. Number 2, grasp the ribbon at one end between the forefinger and the thumb. If you're right-handed, place the ribbon in left hand and vice versa if you're left-handed. Keep the dull side of the curling ribbon facing downward or towards the ground. Open the scissor with other hand, contrary to what you'd normally do with scissors. Hold the scissor upward with the blade facing up and open. Wrap your fingers around the middle of the blades and handles with your thumb along with non-sharpened side of one blade edge. Press the blade firmly against the dull underside of the ribbon with your thumb. Pull the ribbon across the scissor blade while continuing to press with your thumb. Release the ribbon from the scissors blade. The flat loop bow and spring bow. Procedure in making flat loop bow. Number 1, make a loop keeping the ribbon away from you and bringing it up and back to the center. Continue making progressively larger loops, one on the top of the other, until the desired size is reached. Number 3, holding the bow together, tie at the center with thread or wire to secure. Tie the loop bow to your package. Procedures in making spring bow. Number 1, make a fairly small circle for the inside loop. Holding where the ribbon overlaps, continue making progressively longer circles. Number 2, when the desired size is reached, stick a straight pin through all the layers at the bottom to hold the circles in place. And number 3, tie with the thread to secure the bow, leaving enough thread to tape or tie the bow to your package. A time to remember. This is Maylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching.